Raft Kali River Rapid Rides. Entry and booking office up ahead. We are looking at a 25-minute wait time for Kali River Rapids. Guess nobody wants to get drenched quite yet. That's gonna be us here in a second. Just getting drenched.
Yes.
Films over here.
I wonder what time period this was for their Hollywood, because they look vintage enough to where it could be like kind of like Casablanca, or what's another one? Casablanca.
Not all of them are
You will get wet. You may get soaked.
You may have. All our junior rats should be in front of the group, and as a reminder,
Here we go. Oh boy, here we go.
perfect. It's going to be the 2 seats there with that light frame behind us, all right? Watch it.
There's a hidden Mickey. Are you ready for this?
Yes. You know what? Yeah, I am ready for this.
It's pretty hot.
It's pretty hot.
It's pretty hot.
Let's do it.
Nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Not too bad at all. Oh, and the statue?
That is so cool.
Oh, the faces. Oh, yeah.
Oh, here we go.
I don't know if we're gonna really get that wet at all.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that.
I'm gonna be kind of disappointed.
Oh, okay, here we go. Okay.
You ready to get hit?
No? I don't think so.
Oh, we got some deforestation issues here. my goodness. Oh man.
We'll get wet, you will get
All right, we got that coming up.
Come on, now we need the sign.
Oh yeah. Yeah. That wasn't so bad.
It's not over. Okay, I think we hit the worst.
Did we escape the worst? You're gonna get wet!
Here we go. We're gonna bump into the.
Oh! 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 Oh no, we're stuck here! Oh!
We're in like prime spot here.
Well,
Like right on my head.
that's that.
And of course we're stuck right in front of the raining elephant.
Oh! It's still hitting us. Why is it still hitting us? Let's get this line moving.
I'm trying to save the bag. Oh God!
Oh. Well, well, we got a little bit wet. So sometimes I don't even get wet on this ride.
Not today.
Thank you. The sea was angry that day, my friends. That I really did not think I was going to get that wet.
It was a bad day to wear non-waterproof mascara, folks.
Yep. So we just got off of Kali River Rapids, and yeah, we got a little bit wet.
Yeah, you're gonna get soaked.
Yep. It's a good time. Sometimes I go on that ride and I don't get wet hardly at all.
Yeah, no, we got lucky today.
Yeah.
We got lucky.
So lucky.